Okay, yes, this one here. Okay, read the question. Yes, if I may read for you, the question goes like this, that the following were marks scored by students in a history test. Okay, the marks read 54, 54, 40, 55, 54, 43, 73, 37, 75. Yes, read all the marks down here. Okay, read all the marks down here. Okay, up to 36, the last one is 36. You're supposed to construct a frequency distribution table by grouping the marks in the class intervals of 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, etc. Hence, find the percentage of students who scored marks ranging from 50 to 69. Ranging from 50 to 69. Supposed to get the percentage of how many students are here. Their percentage. Okay. So what will be the procedure working out through this question? If you may recorrect from the given information or the information which you already have. Yes, try that very method. Get your answer and put in the comment section before I reveal mine. Okay? Yes, you can do it. You can do it. I bet you can do it. Okay? Yes. Yes, like that. Yes. Okay, so what you're supposed to do here, this is what you should do. First of all, you must prepare the so-called frequency distribution table, because that's what the main question is. So the frequency distribution table is this one. Frequency distribution table. Okay, I got the given information. According to given information, we have been given max intervals. In the question, it just asks us to find the percentage. So actually, we don't need to calculate the class marks because they are unnecessary in this particular question. So what we should do, should have the class interval. So let's put here class interval. Class interval. So since the marks are not grouped data, they're just scattered marks, then we shall have to have another column for what we call tally. Tally helps you to count the marks individually. Then let's have frequency here. Let's have frequency, that one. I'm going to give a sketch of the table, which you're supposed to draw. Make sure you draw a clean table. A clean table. Better than this one. So the interval given, we are told that it's from 30 to 49. Then 40 to, sorry, I say 39 and I wrote 49. So let's make a correction here. From 30 to 39, then 40 to 49, then 50, this one to 59. We are told etc. Okay, the question says etc. So what we're supposed to do now, we have to look at this, the trend, the way the trend is going. This side, can you see the last figure is 0? So all other figures here, we start with a figure 0, 0, 0, 0. And all the figures here will be having 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. That's the easiest way to do it. Or else you have to get the class interval for each, then you keep on adding that class interval for all the values which you are following. Okay, how we use the easiest way is just to go by this one. So the highest mark from the given information is something like 80, I suppose. So here we go, say this is 60, the next one is 70, then I will have my 80 there, if that's the last mark. Then here it will be 69, 79, then 89. Okay, 89. But let's ask ourselves, do we really have the interval according to our marks? Do we have marks starting with the 80? Anything to do with the 80? Okay, assess the marks here, then tell me in the comment section if there is. But if there is not, then we shall have to remove the whole of this interval. Please check. It's for you to check. 2 seconds, try to assess. Check, check, check. What do you get? Okay, according to me, 80 to 89 is not there. So there is no need to include this interval since it's not in the list of our marks. So I'm removing this one. So these are the intervals we have. Now, after this one, now we have to go to this part of TARI. TARI, we have to count from 30 to 39. How many marks are there? 40 to 49. How many are there? This is my TARI. This is how it looks like. Look from the interval of 30 to 39. As you count, if you count these bars, you get 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. When it comes to 5, you cross. You put the horizontal bar. So it's 5 plus 2. This gives us 7. Then this one, we have 5 plus 5. So it's 10. Here we have 5 and 3. This is 8. Here there are only 2. And here there are only 3. So these are our frequencies. These are our frequencies. So what we need to do here is take the sum of the frequencies. We take the sum of the frequencies. So I can say sum of frequencies. This equals 70 plus 10, 17 plus 8, 25 plus 2, 27 plus 3. This one is 30. So sum of our frequencies equals 30. So our table will look like this. Our frequency distribution table will look like this. I've not crossed this one. It's just a line the way I drew it. So this is what we shall get from our compilation of the data. So total, there are 30 students. Actually, there are marks of 30 students. So the question asks us to find the percentage of students who are in this range, that from 50 to 69. How do we get that? How do we get that? 50 is this one, the middle one. The middle one. And how many are there here? How many are they? Let's get the total. Let's get the total. We have to add from 50 to 69, meaning from this interval to this interval. So here we have 8. We have this one. So we shall start adding this. Then 60 to 69, there are 2. So actually we add these. And when we add them, what do we get? They are 10. They are 10. So the percentage of students who scored 50 to 60. Percentage of students who scored 50 to 69, 50 to 69 will be equal to number of students who scored those particular marks, that is 10, over total number of students, that is 30. Then we multiply by 100 because we are asked to find the percentage. So same as saying 1000 divided by 3. By 30. 1000 divided by 30. Or you can say 100 times 1 over 3. This is 1 over 3 times 100%, which gives us 33 and 1 over 3%. So the percentage of students who scored from 50 marks to 69%, they are 33 and 1